Hey everyone, it is now time for math. Miss Caspero, Mrs. Scott, and Mrs. Tucker will be doing our math lesson today.
Today for counting, we are going to count to 100 by tens. So I want you to count with me and say the numbers. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now here is Mr. Q ready to count with you in Spanish.
Buenos días, niños. Bueno, vamos a contar de 10 hasta 100. Lo voy a hacer de una manera lenta para que todos lo hagan conmigo desde casa. ¿Listos? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
All right, friends, we are going to get ready to write numbers 1 through 20. Get your pencils ready and your paper, and here we go. We always start writing at the top. We're going to start with number 1. 1, remember our finger space. And 2, we start at the top, all the way down, around, little line, finger space. Start number 3, little curve, finger space. 4, finger space. 5, 6, 7, ran out of space, so I'm going down to the next line. 8, finger space. 9, and we have 10, 11, 12, 13. We're going down to the next line. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's go number 19. And we have 20. 1 through 20. Good job.
All right, boys and girls, now Miss Tucker, Miss Scott, and I will be reviewing with you 2D shapes. I hope you're ready. Miss Tucker, what is this 2D shape called?
A box.
Now a box would be a 3D shape because you could see all the way around it. Can you see all the way around this?
No.
So if it's a 2D shape, what is that called?
Square.
How do you know this is a square and not a rectangle?
It has 4 sides.
But a rectangle has 4 sides. So what's the difference between a rectangle and a square?
The square has 4 equal sides.
Perfect. Let's count them, boys and girls. 1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4. So all sides are equal. Can you tell me something else about this shape, Miss Tucker?
It has vertices, 4 vertices.
Boys and girls, do you remember what vertices means? It means 4 corners. So vertices means corners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices or 4 corners. So
Look,
this
has 4 vertices too. That's the same.
Yeah. So this was a
Square.
and this was a
Rectangle.
perfect. Now, Miss Tucker, let's see if you can get this one.
This is hard, Miss Caspero.
I think you can do it. You can persevere, right, Miss Tucker?
I can. Yes, I can.
All right.
I'm going to leap.
What is this shape, Miss Tucker?
A football.
Well, a football, again, would be a 3D shape because you could see all the way around it. What is this flat shape called?
Just kidding. Oval.
Perfect. Does it have any vertices?
No, ma'am.
Perfect answer. Let's see. Here's a tricky one, Miss Tucker.
Oh, wow. A diamond.
It does kind of look like a diamond if you turn it this way. But what is this really called if you're a mathematician?
Hexagon.
Hmm,
Just kidding. It's a rhombus.
perfect. How many vertices does this rhombus have?
4, just like the square and the rectangle.
Awesome. Here's an easy one for you. What is that shape called?
Circle.
Great. Does it have any vertices?
No, ma'am.
So just like this oval, it does not have any vertices.
Correct.
Let's find another 2D shape.
Triangle.
What's special about a triangle?
It has 3 sides.
Perfect. What about how many vertices does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a bunch.
It does have a bunch, but let's count again. Touch and count each vertices or corners.
1, 2, 3.
Perfect. So a triangle has 3 sides
Yes.
and 3 vertices.
Oh, good job, Miss Casper.
Thank you, Miss Tucker. Now, what is this one?
Hexagon.
Is it? How many sides does it have?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6.
Has 6 sides and how many vertices?
The same, 6 corners.
6 sides and 6 corners. Very good. So that was a hexagon. Okay, now we're going to practice shapes in Spanish. And for this, we have Mr. Quintero. How do you say triangle in Spanish?
Se dice triángulo.
How do you say rectangle in Spanish?
Se dice rectángulo.
And how do you say square in Spanish?
Se dice cuadrado.
What about a hexagon?
Hexágono.
And a rhombus?
Rombo.
Okay, guys, today our math journal, we are going to read about a little girl named Jen and her hair bows. Read it with me. Let's read it together first. Then we will go back and see if we're going to add or subtract or how we need to solve our problem. Jen has 6 bows in her hair. 4 of her hair bows are pink. How many are yellow? Okay, I do not have any crayons with me today, so I'm just going to use my pencil. So let's go back and think. What did Jen have? Jen has 6 bows. So let's draw 6 bows, or I'm going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So are we right? Jen has 6 bows in her hair. Yes. Now the next question or statement was 4 of her bows are pink. So I do not have pink, but I'm just going to draw a little line through my circles or my pretend bows, and I have to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to pretend those are pink. How many are yellow? Well, if I have 2 left, that means we are subtracting because it says she had 6. 4 of her bows were pink. Whoops, she had 6. 4 were pink. And how many are yellow? So they're asking us to do a little subtraction. So we know if we have 6 and we take away 4, how many do we have left? That's right. There are 2 left. So we can also say that 6 minus 4 equals 2. Or we can say 6 take away 4 equals 2. Or we could just say 6 minus 4 equals 2 again. And then we could also draw our number bond. We're going to put the 6 at the top because that's the biggest number. Then we knew that we had 4 pink bows, and we also had 2 left over. So we know that 6 take away 4 equals 2. Great job, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Today we are going to work on a word problem, and we're going to use number bonds, and we are going to subtract today, and we're going to take away. I'm going to read our word problem. Benjamin had 10 bananas. He dropped some of the bananas. Fill in the number bond to show Benjamin's bananas. Okay, so we're going to look at the first sentence. It says, Benjamin had 10 bananas. How many bananas did he have? He had 10. And if you notice in our number bond, that's the part, that's the whole. So he has 10 bananas, and they already put that in our number bond for us. Now we have to fill in the number bond to show Benjamin's bananas. How many did he drop? He dropped some of the bananas. Let's say he dropped the ones that are open. We can tell they're dropped because they're smushed open. So we're going to count how many were dropped. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many were dropped? 4. So part here, 4 would go here in this part. Now, how many bananas were not dropped? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So he did not drop 6. So 4, where he dropped, 6, he did not drop them. So in our number bond, we can see the whole is 10, part was 4, and the other part is 6. Now we have another word problem. Savannah has 10 pairs of glasses. 5 are green and the rest are purple. Color and fill in the number bond. It's okay. I only have a black marker, so with your pencil, you can do this. It doesn't matter. So for 10 pairs of glasses, 5 are green. So instead of using green, what I'm going to do? I'm going to circle green. So for green, I'll put here the circles are going to be green. And for purple, I'm going to use a little box. So we're going to circle all the green. And how many green did she have? She had 5 green. So I'm going to circle 5 green. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, and 5. The rest are purple. So let's put a square around the purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many glasses did Savannah have? But in whole she had 10. So I'm going to put 10 here. And she had how many that were green? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So part of them were green. And then she had purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Part of those were purple. There were 5. So 5 and 5 make 10. Let's look at our last one. Xavier had 10 baseballs. Some were white and the rest were gray. Draw the balls in color to show how many may be white and gray. So how many balls did Xavier have? In whole, he had 10. So we're going to go ahead and fill that in our number bond because it's 10. Now, instead of using colors, we're going to use shapes. So for white, I'm going to put circles. And for gray, I'm going to put squares. Now I'm going to draw the balls. Let's see. I'm going to give him, I'll say he has 5, make 6 balls that are white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. So I'm going to put part here. That's part of the 10. Now how many are left that are going to be gray? So we have 6 here. 1, 2. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many were gray? We have 4. So 6 and 4 give us 10. Part, whole. Hello, boys and girls. Well, that's the end of our math lesson today. Remember to be kind to your parents and listen, follow directions, and we will see you next time. Bye.